Welcome to Wisdom Ops for Power BI. We're so glad you've decided to invest in analytics governance for your organization's Power BI environment, all managed in the cloud. We know you have high standards for delivering quality, trusted insights to your users, and so does Wiiisdom. Now, in just a few minutes and with a few clicks, you can get started building tests that confirm your Power BI dataset is accurate and matches the underlying data source, validates row-level security to ensure your data is secure, and finds and remediates issues with automated regression testing. Now, always remember that we're here to help you along the way. Our best-in-class customer success teams and programs are always available to you. Together, we'll scale the deployment of trusted analytics through Power BI at your organization. Welcome to Wiiisdom, and let's get started.